Are you getting tired of this? And things like this? And this? And this? Cut out the hard work, mess, and water leaks with Aquor. G'day, my name's Jesse James. I've been a plumber down under for over 15 years. Now we're at a new build here in New Zealand to show you how simple and how easy it is to install the new Aquor House Hydrant system. Come on, I'll show you how it's done. First of all, locate the install area. Yep, this is it. So the angle and the position of this bracket is extremely important. We have a 5-degree angle, which needs to be parallel with the stud. Now the depth is also extremely important. We have bricks going on the exterior of this house, which is 120mm cavity, so we'll have to work out the depth from outside. So in order to set my depth, I'm going to cut the paper, then I'll measure through off the back of the stud 120mm. I will then square down so I have a nice parallel line. Then I will install my bracket with the 5-degree angle. Now we're just going to screw it home. Easy as that. And then you can connect your pipe, whether it's copper, plastic, or PEX. Simple to install. Now we're going to go outside and do the waterproofing by putting on our trade seal. So now we're on the exterior of the house. I'm just going to double check that my hydrant is at 120mm, spot on. I'm going to remove the super durable, super tough stainless steel Aquor hydrant and replace it with the plastic test plug. So when we pump the house up, we don't blow anything out of the system. And then we're going to install our trade seal. This is to make sure everything is 100% waterproof. We always install them on a diagonal angle too, so that our water runs off. So here's an installation on the wall that's just been finished by the blockies, looking super nice, ready for installation. First we're going to remove the blue test plug and make way for our stainless steel heavy duty Aquor hydrant. Now we can also use our test plug as a locating key, make it nice and easy for us to tighten up. And now we're ready to install our Aquor cover. I always allow a couple more turns to make sure you crank it up nice and tight against the wall. So last step, making sure the Aquor logo is at the bottom, top screw is at the top. This cap is completely frost proof and is designed for all weathers. Flush to any surface, looks mint. It's adaptive and easy. And with one easy twist, your hose is on. You can use it for whatever you're doing, wherever you are. No costly water leaks, no theft, and absolutely no mess. And this product is super durable. Simple to install, simple to use. The only hose tap you'll ever need. It's a beautiful thing. Pretty tidy product here from Aquor.